to remove suggested feed on Instagram. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove suggested feed on Instagram. To remove suggested post on Instagram feed, you will need to follow these several steps. Open your Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, now here, scroll to find a suggested post. Once you find it, simply tap on the three dots icon at the top right, and from the menu that appears at the bottom, tap on the hide option. After that, you will be able to hide this post. Now you will see fewer posts like this. Instagram doesn't currently allow users to permanently disable suggested posts. You will need to repeat these actions to reset your Instagram algorithm. So by following these steps, you should be able to remove suggested posts on Instagram feed. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.